quite.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
BangMung! Howdy, folks. Welcome back to BangMung. Oh, it's time. It's time to clean this fella. The Ruger Wrangler. Ruger! What the fuck? Well, okay, I had to collect myself there. Yeah, this is just a little feller, and I don't need too long a riffle. We shot it, we now gotta clean it. Yeah, single bingle. Gonna let you know something. We got another revolver coming. I forgot if I already mentioned that, but I have another revolver coming at some point. It's gonna take a minute to get all the stuff, but I have a revolver coming. It's a different one. It's an older one. It's a fancy one. It's the only one that's ever been of interest to me. Okay. We now have the dying Earl. He's almost out of juice, which is sad because he's been here for quite some time, and his squishly dishly is all squishled out. Who knows how long we have him left for.
He's on life support.
But I'm gonna go ahead and emerge this guy from our thing.
It wouldn't be a BangMung cleaning video if I didn't include the cameraman's knuckle.
What? What the fuck? Okay then. Well, as I was saying before that, I don't know why these fucking little condiment bottles are still a thing in here. I don't know what the hell the point of them is. We're gonna go ahead and rotate on. Look at that shit. I did in 2 fucking rotations. I'm practically a fucking pro. Call me Tiger Woods, bitch. Knock everything over in a vicious rage. It was in my plan. Okay, we got our dying Earl. Dude, why the fuck is this barrel so fucking thick for a 22? Jesus Christ. Come on, Earl. Don't die on me, Earl! Don't you fucking die yet! Why am I looking at the gun while I was talking to Earl? I'm retarded.
Oh! It's first ever clean. Oh.
Jesus Christ. That was so fucking in there. Ooh, that exerted a lot of energy on my fat rolls. I'm gonna try a different one. Jesus Flabucci. Let me...
Flobbigs?
What? What? Okay, ow. It poked me. This one should be better suited. God, that fucking hurt. There we go. Not exactly sure how to hold this, but I'm holding it. Firm grip. Like you would when you're alone at 2 in the morning, you know?
Oh.
You gotta watch them pheasants. What'd you think?
What?
Okay, after a little bit of off-screen fandangling, we have discovered how to remove the cylinder. You press in this button, and you pull this out. There you go. And then it just slides out the side. Wow. That's a cylinder. And now you have a gun that has no cylinder. It's a revolverless revolver.
Oh.
Let's see what we can do. We could probably bore snake that now. Bore snake a revolver. We've never done that. We truly haven't. This is the only other revolver we've had since the fucking RG-1022 short. And unlike that, this thing's actually functional. And it doesn't suck. Yeah, look at that. See? It goes all the way through. Ooga chaka. Damn, it beat the fuck out of it there like it owed us money. Yep. don't know what the fuck that was. Don't question me.
Fucking potato head.
Yes, I know. I have a head the size of fucking Connecticut. There's no need to refresh my mind. Honestly, I don't think there's a boar snake that's gonna be small enough to insert. Not big mutton, that's for sure. Not to be confused with Will Putney. I don't know if this is gonna fit. The answer is perhaps. I don't think this is gonna even budge. No. No, the answer is no. You can't bore snake a 22 revolve.
Failure.
But what we can do is find the tampon that's not fucking gray wool colored.
Gray wool. Peach plum.
You say peach plum?
Yeah.
Peach plum. Plummethy. Okay, what the now, what is this shit? Hang on. Okay, what the fuck is up with these adapters? It's like every video. You gotta make an adapter for an adapter to adapt for one of those things. You gotta have no adapter for this thing. You gotta have a fucking big adapter for these things. What the fuck were they thinking when making this? This is like a goddamn treasure trove of stupidity. Okay. It doesn't even fit right. What the fuck? Oh, it's all... Bro, this thing has only been maybe shot once. No, twice. Twice in this entire fucking lifetime. Recently with our video, and one other time I can't recall. How is this thing so fucking sick nasty in there? Like, did someone fucking use this to unclog their rectum? Got poop fragments stuck in there? What the hell? Look at that fucking thing. How? How are you so dirtalicious? I don't like it. Can I go the other side? No.
No.
No. Okay, well, I guess that's all we can really do here. Now to get this back in, you just reverse the process that you did previously. The fuck? How did I do that noise? Am I turning into a fucking clicker from The Last of Us? Okay, you take that. Shove it back in.
You have to hit the button.
Oh, the button.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Proud of you. It's my gun.
It is. His gun.
Part of my very large collection.
Yeah.
2, count 'em, 2 handguns.
I thought you had a third.
No, I have 2.
Oh. Well, this thing works functionally. That was given to him by our grandpapa one day for either Crimbus or his birthday. I don't recall. It was one of them days where he didn't want to wake up. Everything was fucked and everybody sucked. He didn't really know why, but he wanted to justify ripping someone's head off.
You know,
I don't
when I wake up in the morning, I think I'm going to make some Limp Bisquick.
Ah.
Yeah.
Alright, now time to use Earl's dying breaths to clean the outside of the...
Clean it right now.
Jesus, fuck! Alright, Earl, time to use your last dying breaths to saturate a gun. Look at that, fucking soaked it. And... Arg! Don't ask. I arged it. Yeah, we could saturate the cylinder in a spinning rotation mechanism. Look at that shit. Oh. Cleanse that fucking boy. We got an Erlid cylinder, and then... Oh, what the fuck's she doing? Spastic cat. Then... rub that side, rub the underside, and well, that's pretty much all there is to it. What did you expect? It's a fucking revolver. Oh, my fucking chin is so itchy. Well, it would appear as though we're already done cleaning the gun. I think this is the one with the least amount of chaotic bullshit for a while, but, yeah, it's clean. It's a gun. Yeah. Get the holster. And yeah. I am the greatness that is soon to be. BangMung with a Q&A coming up soon. Leave a Q&A or just a Q in the question box of some sorts. I'll answer it. And yeah, I'll see you whenever I upload next.
Marge.
Bert!
Maggie.
Let me show you the pig. Let me show you the pig. Stay the fuck over here. Let me show you the pig. This is this shit. Let me show you the pig. It's the pig.
Moo.
Bang mung, bang mung, bang mung mung, bang mung, bang mung, bang mung mung, bang mung, bang mung, bang mung mung, bang mung, bang mung, bang mung, mung mung, boom!